Hi everybody, my name is Arthur Case. I've been involved in the lifestyle retirement industry for the past 18 years, and I have a real passion both for the industry and the seniors who move into our retirement estates. I'm speaking to you from the dining area of the recently completed Altona Gardens Wellness Centre. It forms part of the Greater Altona Gardens estate, which will comprise 336 independent living homes and cottages on completion. It is a magnificent facility. It's been designed by a neuro architect. This is someone who understands the real needs of people with care needs, especially those suffering from Alzheimer's or dementia. What I'd like to share with you is our care model. We'd like to talk about continuous care, which simply means whatever stage your health is at when you buy a unit and move into Altona, there will be a care solution for you. There are essentially 5 steps in our continuous care model. The first is primary health care. That's really a clinic that will operate from inside the wellness center, that you can come along any day during the week, make an appointment to see the qualified nursing sister. She can measure your blood pressure, she can help with medication management, she can measure your sugar levels and give you general healthcare advice. So it's a very handy facility to have. Number 2, we springboard from this wellness center care in the home. So for those people who don't need to move into a wellness center permanently, we can provide that care in your home, whether it is assisted living, helping with the wound dressing, or with showering and getting dressed in the morning. It could even be a frail care solution, and even dementia care can be provided in the home in the early stages, especially if you have a healthy spouse. The third element of our continuous care model is assisted living proper, and you can then move into the care center where we have 25 magnificent single and double suites where we can provide assisted living. The facilities in here are absolutely amazing. I'm not going to try and tick them all off now because we're talking about healthcare. Step number 4 in the continuous care model is full-on frail care. This facility is beautifully equipped to take care of all frail care needs, and we have a wonderful care operator who will make sure that you are looked after properly. Step number 5 we call memory care. It's the modern approach to dealing with Alzheimer's, and we have a specialized memory care unit right here in this facility that you can make use of in the future. So the point is, we have a continuous care model right from primary health care through to assisted living, frail and memory care, all here in this beautiful estate. If you'd like to know more about what we have to offer, you can contact Jackie Tiart. You can reach her on her cell phone 082 464 6963, or reach us on our website at info@altonagardens.com. Thank you for listening.